Hi everyone, welcome back to the Roblox Chef Master. Today we're going to be making a super yummy treat, donuts. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite type of donut is. Mine are the glazed donuts. Yum! The ingredients you'll need are some milk. You can use whole milk, 2% milk, or even fat-free milk. Whatever you want, or almond milk too. You'll also need some yeast, so go ahead and go to the store and get some active dry yeast, or you can use instant yeast. They're so adorable, they're so tiny.
I'm not tiny, I'm big, roar!
You'll also need some sugar because we need a little bit of sweetness. Wait, why are you mad?
Because you're gonna eat me?
But you're tasty.
I don't care, go away!
You'll also need some eggs because that's going to provide the structure and some of the flavor. Why do you all look so happy?
Because we're the egg team!
You'll also need some butter because melted butter makes it taste that much better. Okay, now why are you crying?
Because I'm rotten!
Oh yeah, you are! Please, don't throw me away! Well, I can't eat you.
Please!
You'll also need some vanilla extract because, it's gonna add a nice vanilla flavor. Now, in addition to sugar, we also need some salt. Look at the cute salts just dancing around. Last but not least, you need flour. All-purpose flour is gonna work good. And wow, look at the flour shining. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. First, we're going to prepare the dough. So go ahead and take a bowl, or if you want to use a mixer, that's okay too. But I'm going to start with using a bowl. And I'm going to go ahead and add warm milk in here. Go, milk, go! Comment down below and let me know what type of milk is your favorite. I personally like 2%, but let me know. And then go ahead and add in the yeast. And then it's time to add in some sugar. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix it all up. Now this is easier if you have a mixer, but I'm using a bowl, so use your hands and start mixing. Or you can use a spatula. So right now they look like they're bonding really well and they're just having a good time partying. Next up, we're going to add some eggs. Ooh, it's the egg team. Okay, the eggs look like they're going a little wild, but they seem to be meshing well. Now add in the butter. Whoa.
Everybody get out of my way!
Hey, butter, be nice. You all have to mesh together, okay? Be nice.
Never!
Next, go ahead and add in the vanilla. And then go ahead and add in some salt. Butter, would you get out of their way? I can't see anything. Okay, now we can see the salts. Nice! Everyone seems to be getting along just fine. Okay, now go ahead and add in the flour. Now what we're gonna do is mix everything up together because it's gonna be one big dough. And you're gonna keep kneading until you have one big dough. Wait, why are you evil?
Because I ate everybody!
Okay, that's kind of scary, so go ahead and keep kneading it for about 5 to 7 more minutes. Once you're done kneading, go ahead and just let it sit and then watch the dough rise and get bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow. Okay, the dough is a little too big, but hey, more donuts for us to make. Okay, now we're going to take this big giant dough and we're going to turn it into smaller doughs because we want smaller bite-sized donuts. Now we're going to let the dough rest for about 30 minutes and we're going to do something else in the meantime. We're going to heat up the oil. Next up, we're going to heat up a pot and we're going to add some oil. Oh no, one fell off. Wow, all the oil looks really sad. Why are you sad?
Because I'm getting cooked!
Okay, once the oil starts to sizzle because it's hot enough, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the donuts. Alright, donuts, go right in.
Woo! Wow!
Okay, and try not to fry too many doughs at a time because as you can see, some of the oil has been flickering out and it's all over the place now. So keep it to like 2 to 3 at a time. Over time, the donut's gonna turn from the white dough to a more crispy brown dough. It looks like it's almost ready. Okay, once you take the donuts out, go ahead and put it on a plate or a tray to let it cool for about 20 to 30 minutes. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna frost your donut. So on the left side, I'm using some vanilla frost, and then on the right side, I'm using some chocolate frost, but you can use strawberry, blueberry, whatever you like. These are just my top 2 faves. Let me know in the comments below if you're team vanilla or you're team chocolate. They're both good in my opinion. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to add on some sprinkles. Only if you like sprinkles. I love sprinkles. So I added some to the vanilla and some to the chocolate. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe on how to make some yummy donuts. Don't forget to subscribe.